Actually, Willie, I keep hearing about risk and return whenever I read about investing, but what is risk return anyway? Risk return is a theory in personal finance that talks about the relationship between risk and returns, called risk-return trade-off or risk-reward trade-off. It says that generally the higher the risk, the higher the possible return is. As a consequence, we can say that if someone wants to earn a higher return, they would need to take a higher risk, which means that they would need to be prepared for a higher possibility of losses. Some time ago on TV, I heard about an asset class, but what is an asset class anyway? An asset class is a group of assets in which you can invest your money. Everything within a specific asset class also shows similar traits.
What is a stock? Well, a stock is basically a very small part of a company. Well, what do you mean? So if I buy a stock, I own a company? No, you do not own the whole company. You own part of the company. What is a bond? Well, a bond is basically a loan that you make to a company, just like a bank makes a loan to you.
I heard my parents wanted to do real estate investing, but what is real estate investing anyway? Well, real estate investing is where you invest in immovable property, like a house. I heard my parents talking about a brokerage account, but what is a brokerage account anyway? A brokerage account is an account that you use to make investments, like buying or selling stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and many more. On TV, I heard about a portfolio, but what is a portfolio anyway? Everything you invest in is collectively called a portfolio. For example, if you have invested in stocks, bonds, and real estate, together they form your portfolio. In the newspaper, I heard about diversification, but what is diversification anyway? Diversification is investing money in different things instead of investing all of your money in just one or two things. But why do I need diversification? You need diversification to reduce the risk of losing money or getting negative returns.
I heard that Facebook had a real high market cap. But what is a market cap anyway?
Well, a market cap, also known as market capitalization, is the market value of a company. It is basically the number of stocks or shares in the company times the stock price. So, for example, if there's 1,000 shares in a company and each share is $100, then the market cap...
Hey people, if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please